Dear friends, mass tragedy. The recent verdict by the Honorable Supreme Court of India against the illegal felling of 454 trees blatantly in Taj Trapezium Zone in Agra has expressed it is like killing a large number of human beings, or worse than that. The judgment not only marks a significant victory for environmental justice, but wipes the tears of the creatures sacrificing for us in developing the greenery for our healthy survival. The incident reminds the mass tragedy of the Northland Estate at Ichhapur in North 24 Parganas, West Bengal. Before the reporters, the local people witnessed the reckless felling of trees could not hide their grief. Some of them shed tears and expressed how thousands of healthy trees like sal, shagun, bel, mango, jackfruit, jam, banyan, pipal, deodaru, and so on were cut deliberately. The 100 years old historic estate, covered by the green, is now turned into a desert. At present, the schools and the residential quarters inside the estate are surrounded by the wild growth and huge number of solar panels installed at a height of 3 to 4 feet above the vast land created by cutting the trees. You see the photograph. Even the playgrounds were not exempted. People here stood together against the act of merciless felling of trees, likening to a mass tragedy, but had to face unprecedented harassment by the estate authority. The matter was brought to the notice of the Environmental Department, Human Rights Commission, Forest Department, and the local administration through mass petition, but yielded no result. The matter should be investigated for the interest of environmental justice, and the guilty should be punished suitably for damaging the environment, extremely similar to the Taj Trapezium Zone, which the Honorable Supreme Court has termed as tragedy like killing a large number of human beings, or worse than that.